This is Nancy with Fix This House, and this is our new core luxury vinyl tile planking. Is it actually called luxury vinyl planking? Whatever. Anyway, we put this floor down, and now it's time to do baseboard. So Don's here to talk us through a trick that he discovered.
I just thought a little tip that would be worth knowing is I'm using some blue painter's tape, and we pulled the old baseboard off. So I can see the holes where the previous baseboard was nailed, so that I know there's a stud here. When I stick up a new piece of molding, I won't know where the studs are anymore. So in advance of that, I'm putting a piece of blue painter's tape everywhere I saw that the other baseboard had been nailed up. So I know there's a stud right there. And I'll be able to easily hit the studs when I'm nailing the new baseboard up.
We can paint these walls.
And then this blue tape comes up easily when you're done.
Yeah, that's perfect.
And makes life a lot easier than trying to, you know, get a stud finder or knock on the wall. We'll get it every time without having to sweat it. So that's just a little tip for baseboard installation.
Use a little blue painter's tape to mark where the studs are. All right, sounds great. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.